You gonna open it up? Hey, good job. Gotcha. And it goes. Can you help? No, you got it. Almost got it.
You know, if you could, try to
Here you go. What's inside? Oh, by the way, this is another Horror Classics, Series 2. Oh. What's inside? What is it? What is it? Oh my god! It is the other half of Shaun of the Dead. I got wood. Yeah. Now we got the whole team. The best buds. Fighting zombies together. Hey, Cat.
What?
Something's wrong with Goose.
What?
There we go. What are you doing? Oh. Whoa. Yeah, I think he's done.